This window camera has been a great addition. I love it because it's cordless. You do have the option to add the cord for the battery, but the battery lasts super long. And the cord that it comes with is super long. So if it's far away from a plug-in, it's all tangled, but if it's far away from a plug-in, no worries because it's super long. Super simple to install. It's this adhesive backing right here. You can kind of see the end. It actually comes with 2 of them. And you put that on your window first, and then you peel off the other adhesive and stick that right on. That way no sticky residue is left on your window if it ever needs to come off. This is like this support beam to hold it up since mine is raised off of the counter. And then it comes with extra adhesives and stickies as well. But this thing is excellent. It has such good like definition where you can see things so clearly. It has AI detection. I love that it's battery operated and it can be wireless. You also can share the device with other people so that they can access the camera as well, and it has 24-hour recording. I love that it is not required to have like a monthly payment or monthly fee, and you can just use the free version. But this thing has been awesome, works really well, has held up wonderfully. We use it just as a camera to see the outside, and then we have a camera to see the inside. But the brand sent it to us to test out. It has been great and just gives me a little peace of mind to be able to access my front yard whenever I need to.